welcome to our channel. My name is Monia and this is Kubush. This is Kubush. Welcome back. I mean, it's been a hot minute. Today we will be doing a first impression. I've been saving this one. I'm gonna go ahead and do a first impression on the Pixi by Petra concealer. I recently did a haul on Pixi Beauty. I've never tried this brand before, and I got some makeup, I got some skincare, and that's gonna be in the video link down below if you want to check that out and what my thoughts are. I was actually surprised. Some good, some bad. So if you want to see what my thoughts are on that specifically, go ahead and click below. Ooh. Right, Coob? Hey, Coob. They should click below, right? Or not. I think he thinks it's boring. Probably is. So let's go ahead and get started. My face is prepped and primed. I have put primer on my face for this concealer. So we're just gonna get right into it because I don't want to waste anybody's time. Oh. It's like a golf club brush. So let's go ahead and slap this on. Let's see what is about to happen. I don't like this is way too thick to pull it out of the tube. It's like I'm pulling it, I'm tugging. It's a lot of effort working my buys and tries. Yeah, I'm not feeling this. They need to work with this tip and the little cup inside the tube that helps manage how much product gets on it, because it's hard to put the wand back into the tube and out. You have to tug it out and jab it in. So it's not effortless. It's not like one thing I want to note really quickly, it dries quick. So you gotta put it on and get right into it. Okay, so this is more medium coverage. I'm gonna go ahead with another. I really don't like this wand. It doesn't pick up a lot of product, and all the product it does pick up is literally at the tip here. So when you start using this base, the base kind of soaks up some of the product, so that takes away already the little product that it gives you. So that's kind of annoying. This just wand, it feels awkward. Look at, ready? I'm not even being dramatic because I'm not the one to be dramatic. Blend this out and see how much more it can cover for two swatches. This has the same scent as their Glow Tonic, which is a soapy scent. You know the Dial soap bars? The OG, the scent? That's kind of how it smells like. So the finish I like. It's kind of like a natural finish. It's not radiant, it's not dry or matte. It's more just a natural. But I do want to point out it's creasing, and it did not apply well by my creases. So that's something that I'm really picky about, because if I'm gonna put makeup on, I really don't want it to look makeup-y. And concealer is my go-to product that I use every day. So I want something that I can truly rely on and makes it look like I'm not putting any makeup on. But with this one, it's definitely creasing, and it applied very, very oddly by my creases. So if you look closely, it fell into the crease, and then it didn't blend out very nicely around the crease. And it happened to this eye as well. And I didn't even put product all the way up there. So that product that's by the creases is really what I just dragged at the end to just kind of blend it all together. I never put that product right into the crease. It's not looking too good. I love the finish. It's a beautiful finish. This is what I love, a radiant finish. But as for the creasing and the way that it's kind of like clumping together and falling into the creases is just, I really do not like that. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and set this before it creases anymore. It's literally been like 4 minutes since I've applied both layers, and I can't get over the creasing. I wouldn't put it around any fine lines or wrinkles. It's really gonna accentuate them, and it's not gonna blend over them nicely. It's gonna clump all together in the actual crease or the crevice of your skin and just accentuate it and make you look a lot older and more mature than you truly are. It doesn't complement the skin or balance it. Now, basically, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup and then come right back and then do a wear test. I think a wear test is absolutely needed for this. I wanna see how it looks after like 3 hours, because I think after 2-3 hours it'll be really showing its true colors, if you know what I'm saying. So I will be right back. Okay. Oh, you like my cute little bun? I was cleaning and I was like, it's humid as can be. I'm cleaning. Ugh. Anyways, it's been about 3 hours since I put on my eyes, and I see some flakiness that is occurring in this area. I do not like this concealer. And here is what broke it for me. Yeah, the wand's annoying, it's thick, it's got some friends with her, whatever. I can manage, I can work around that. If it's a great product, I will do whatever it takes to make sure that that gets on my dark circles. However, what broke it for me was the creasing and how it was sticking to the creases under my eyes and just accentuated them. As I look at it, it's with the wear, it's just really accentuating those under eye areas for me, and that is just like an absolute like, nah, not today. We ain't doing this. I would not recommend this. If you bought this and it's about to get shipped, cancel that order ASAP. This is, nah. You can do better with this. Like, you can get the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and that one is like a dream, especially if you're oily. And then this one's like chunky, clunky, like poke my eye, like you saw me hit my nose. It's just like, this is just, nah. If you've tried this out, let me know what your thoughts are. Did you like it? Did you not like it? Did you have the same experience? Just let me know in the comments below. If you haven't done so already, I feel like this is like a part of my body, this bun. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment, say hi, and until next time, bye guys.